Welcome to the Grassland Safari Lodge in the Kalahari of Botswana. The Grassland Safari Lodge is an owner-run lodge with a homely atmosphere. At the lodge there are 8 well-furnished chalets with en-suite bathrooms. Right at the lodge is a waterhole where animals can be seen night and day from the comfort of your canvas chair.
Okay, let's go.
On game drives or from horseback, one can see big herds of eland, kudu, wildebeest, gemsbok, springbok and much more. You can also join us in partnership with the local San Bushmen on our cultural activities and see how they are able to survive in this harsh environment. Take part in food gathering and enjoy your evening in the village. See them play games and dance around the fire. This one is a little bit in the root. In our predator conservation project, one can experience the famous Kalahari black-maned lion and packs of the most endangered predator, the African wild dog. Occasionally, leopard and cheetah can be seen. After the excitement, one can cool off in the swimming pool or enjoy a meal and fine wine in our open dining room. End your evening around the campfire while animals are drinking from the waterhole right in front of you. See you at the Grassland Safari Lodge.